welcome back to another episode of Eating with Guap. Today, we got Cajun jerk wings, baked by the way. We also have blackened chicken Alfredo. It's finna go down. Let's eat. How is everyone's day going? I hope all is well. We're gonna go straight into the chicken Alfredo because it looks good. It looks good. It looks good, don't it? Yeah. I'm a little Chef Boyardee, man. There you go. That thing hit. That thing hit. I had Cajun jerk baked chicken looking. I did my thing. Did I do my thing? It's a flat too. Oh. Fall off the bone. That's smacking too. I love my tips. If y'all know me, I clean my chicken. I got some classy ranch too for the chicken. I ain't had no more Wingstop ranch sauce in the refrigerator, so you know, we're gonna do a drum. Let me get the drum right. Drum roll for the drum. You'll see that. You'll see that. I stuck my foot in this one. Gotta get back to that. If y'all only knew what time it is, it's only 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm eating like this because I usually just eat once a day. Like, I don't eat breakfast, so why not? Why not? Look at that. See how I have a slurp? This is good with or without the ranch. I honestly don't need it. Yeah, I cleans up everything. What y'all got planned for the weekend? Anything planned for the weekend? I would think about going fishing. We haven't been fishing in when I say a while, like 3-4 months I ain't been fishing. And I used to go at least twice out the month. At least twice out the month. But us having this land, taking on this land, doing things on this land, I haven't been having time for fishing. But I think I got 2 choices. No, I have 3 choices. I was either going to catch a movie, go fishing. I have 4 choices. Catch a movie, go fishing, go shooting on the land, or go quiet in a dirt bike riding on the land. I still haven't made my choice yet. I still don't know what we're going to do. But I have 4 choices right now in my mind, you know. I need to check the events that's going on in my area. Maybe it's something else I can do too. I don't know. And we're going to have half of the kids here, so. Try to do something every week they come down, you know. Especially if their grades are right, they doing what they need to do with like home, with each other, with school. I like to reward good behavior, you know, especially with grades. Like around here, every A you get a gift. If you get a F or a D, that takes away from all the A's. So we encourage, influence our kids to do the best you can. Always do the best you can. Always do the best you can. You know, and we got honor roll students going on around here. We got honor roll students. Last week they did so good. I brought 2 phones for 2 of the children. They actually got 2 phones. You know, I told them any errors, your phone gets removed. But hey, I can't complain, man. I'm a happy parent. I'm a happy parent. I can't complain. So, we looking good around here. If you got any kids, how is your reward system around the house? Also, what do you reward them on? I seen something on the internet where a lady was teaching her children about money management. You know, get them a daily wage, pay them weekly with Monopoly money. And then she had like a store, like she had like chips, candy, soda, whatever the case have you. And she had like, you know, a bag of chips is $1, Monopoly money, $5 of soda and chips, therefore, and so on. And the kids would get their little Monopoly money and they would come to her little store and then they get to buy things with the money they accumulated through the week. That is a cool idea to do. I'm thinking about doing that. I would like to do that and just have like certain gifts and things for certain prices, chips, soda, you know, and have them earn, and then they come with their Monopoly money and they buy, you know, they buy what they want, the necessities. You know, I do it with deodorant, I would do it with lotion, toothpaste, you know, the things they need, also with the things they want. So, you know, it's best to teach the kids early. I would like to teach the kids early. Like my older boys, you know, we're going into credit. We're learning about credit because I am building their credit along with my credit right now while they're still children, you know, putting them on my payroll while they're still children. So when they turn the age of 18, they can have access to over 100,000 or more. But teaching them how to manage the money, teaching them how to utilize their funds, teaching them how to utilize their name, their credit, how to build leverage, you know, with their credit and their name, you know, gain earning power. You know, I'm teaching them the things that they don't teach them in school. See, a lot of us are either too busy or too lazy to teach our children what they don't teach them in school. Like, you're not supposed to put your faith into the school system. You're not supposed to just send your kids off to school and let them teach them. Like, it's things you need to teach them. You need to teach them by how to treat others. You need to teach them how to identify certain things. You need to teach them how to control certain emotions. You need to teach them how to manage their money. You need to teach them how to utilize credit. You need to teach them how to go into the bank and get a loan for this, how to get a loan for that. We need to teach them things that school is not going to teach them everything. I'm telling you, people, do never rely on the school system. Don't do it. You know, as an adult, if you would have known what you know now when you was a child, that the school didn't teach you, you would be farther along in life. So what we know as an adults, that the school's not teaching our children, that's where we coming at. I actually, once the land done, I actually went to homeschool. That is something I am looking into doing with my children, is homeschooling them once the land is together, because I want to teach them how to, you know, live off the land, how to harvest their own food, clothing, shelter. I want to teach them about that. I want to teach them about that. Because it's, in this day and age, it is permissible that you do so. It's permissible. Clothing, wealth, and shelter, I think, are very important to learn right now while you're a child, especially if you're over the age of 7 years old. You should be implementing things that matter in their lives. Teach them about how the world works. Teach them about financing and what really matters, you know. Try to take the phone away from them. Have phone time, TV time, just like an hour out the day, but other times through the day. You know, learning just don't stop at school. Learning also stay home. Learning continues at home. It don't stop at school. It continues at home as well. You know, that's the end of the video, man. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, I love you all.